Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am doing an unboxing video or unbagging. I got a bag full of stuff here from BeeBeeCrafts where I'm going to be doing some really fun stuff that I ordered. I am affiliated with them. So they have some really cool products that you can buy to help create different crafting things. I think previously I've had a few different items, you know, my favorite palette knives and some crystals and just a lot of really cool stuff. So now this one, I got to show you some really fun stuff, but it's from BeeBeeCraft. I will put a link in the description if you want to check them out. Everybody has some amazing sales going on right now with Black Friday coming up, but yeah. So let's get to looking and see what we got here. One package here. I got some pretty cool molds for making coasters. So this one is for basically like geode coasters, and then this is going to be really fun. I'm kind of excited about doing this shape because I haven't done that yet. So I will definitely be doing that here in the future, and I'll make a video on these as well as these. These are really fun to do too. What else? Let's see, we got here another cool mold to use. I'm trying to have it here so you can still kind of see it all. I'm really excited about this one. This one's going to be super fun too. This is Dominoes. If you can see, the little bubbles are in here, so you just put your colors in there, and I think that's going to be really cool to do some dominoes. That'll be really fun. So I'm really excited about that as well. And then this package here. This came with the dominoes. The dominoes, I got that. A couple measuring cups here, if I can get them apart. A plastic measuring cup, a silicone measuring cup. Some cool tools, some pipettes, the little finger thingies, and a pair of the pointed tweezers. And then it came with some mica, a set of mica chips. I'm really excited about this. I love working with mica chips, or not mica. What am I thinking? Gold leaf. They come in these cute little containers, and this one even looks like, oh, this has got some, like aura colors on it. I don't know if you can see it. I hope I'm gotten in the right place, but you can see those colors. Super cool. And then there's a gold. There's like 4 of, or 3 of each. So it has the ones with like the rainbowish aura on there. And then 3 gold ones where it's just the gold mica. Gold leaf. And then this is kind of a, let's see if it says exactly the colors it is, because it doesn't. Shoot. It's kind of gold, but then it has some cool colors on there as well. That one's really cool. That one will be really fun to use. It's a little bit more of coloring than the other one. Kind of more, where did it go? Almost coppery colors as well to it. So I'm really excited. That one's really cool. Hope I'm getting that in the right place. There's 3 of those. And then we have 3 of the silver. Very fun. Gold leaf. I love playing around with that. That's really fun. And then it also came with some little glitter, different colored glitters. That's good. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Really fun colors in there. So yeah, so this all came in the one set. All of those, the Dominoes, the 2 different measuring cups, the glitter, the tools, and then the gold leaf colors. Very fun. And then I also got another pack of the gold leaf. Now this just has bigger sheets. I'm not going to pull it all out because I don't really want it to fly everywhere, because I guess maybe I can. It's just really hard to, I don't want to pull all of the leafing out of there, but it has silver and gold. Love, love, love this stuff. So I'm really excited about that. And then it also came with a brush, you know, for after it's all dried, you can wipe it off. When I do my gold leaf, I use, it's called metal leaf adhesive. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. And I just put this on for a couple seconds, let it not dry all the way, but a little bit dry, and then I add the gold leaf to it. And then I usually wait till the next day, and then I take my brush, and then it takes away the excess. So that's really cool to use. So I'm really excited about this. These 3 different products that I got. I'm excited to make some coasters and to make some dominoes. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. So I know this isn't a really super long video. I just wanted to have a little unboxing and show you what I'm going to be doing here in the near future. I've been really having a lot of fun working with resin. So yeah, I am excited about making some coasters and maybe making a couple sets of dominoes to take with me on my craft show in December. See how well people like them. That'd be fun to find some little cute boxes to put them in. Yeah, but yeah. So that's my unboxing, unbagging. Unbagging. It all came in this bag. And so, yeah. So that's what's going to happen in the near future. All these items, I will put the link in the description for BeeBeeCraft, and check them out, because it's a really cool website to order crafting things. Like, they have so much stuff. It's not just like, I mean, they have stuff for painting, they have stuff for jewelry making, resin work, you know, I mean, everything that you are interested in doing, you can definitely find. The prices are amazing. But every time I've ordered stuff from them, usually within a week and a half, I've gotten my products. Even with the way shipping is right now, or delivery is right now, it still only took just a little bit over a week to get this stuff. So yeah, so there we have that. I am excited about playing with this stuff and making some cool resin stuff and adding some pretty gold leaf and silver leaf and coppery, rainbowish gold aura. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you will check out BeeBeeCraft. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description for them. It's a cool company, real cool. Lots of amazing things to get from there. And I hope everybody has a great day. Have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.